In today's video, I'm going to show you what happens if you change your perspective on your phobia. Hi, I'm Christopher Paul Jones, the Breakthrough Expert. So what I want you to do in today's tip is just notice what happens when you're experiencing that thing you're phobic of, you're fearful of, you're scared of. So for example, if you're scared of flying, what happens if you imagine yourself sat in that experience? You're sat in the chair, you're looking around, you're seeing the whole event through your own eyes. Now what I'd like you to do is just imagine you're sat in that event, and on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being not at all, 10 being absolutely terrified, where are you now? And just make a note of that. Now I don't want you to stay there too long because it's probably a bit scary for most people, but as you're in that event, what I want you to do, as strange or as silly as this sounds, I want you to imagine floating up out of your body. So you're floating up high above that event. So you're looking down on it through your own eyes. So you're looking at yourself experiencing that scary event. So in the example I used, you're on a plane and you're looking down high above it, from high up on the clouds, whatever your metaphor it is, maybe high up from the cliff tops, looking down on it. And now as you watch it from high above, how do you feel now on a scale of 0 to 10? You may find it's gone down quite a lot just by doing that simple process. Now what I want you to do is imagine maybe floating into the past, however you imagine time, and watching that event from the past, looking down through your own eyes. 0 to 10, where is it now? What would happen if you floated up even higher and even further back? Does the number reduce even more? Or maybe you could float out into the future and watch this event from the future after it's happened and look at it. How do you feel then? You may find that by playing with time in this manner and changing perspectives, it drastically changes how you feel. So practice at home, make a note of it, and the more times you do it, the more you'll find it will take out the charge of your phobia. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and of course share. And until next time, I'm Christopher Paul Jones.